Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to solve the code daily challenge, problem number 104, maximum depth of binary tree. It's a really easy problem to solve, and this problem can be solved using multiple methods, for example, recursive, DFS, or BFS as well. So I'm going to be using the easiest, solution using the recursive approach. And what we have to basically do is we will be just traversing down all the nodes until we reach to the node which is none. Okay, so this is it. This is what we have to do, and what we will be doing is for every node, I will check for the left node and the right node, and I'll add one into it to get the actual depth. So let's move toward the solution and let's see. Okay, so the base condition for this is if root is none, I want to return a zero. Okay, simple. Otherwise, what I want to do is I want to take maximum of root dot left, maximum of self dot max depth root dot left or self dot max depth root dot right. Okay, whatever value we'll get from here, we will add one into it. Okay, simple. So what I'm doing is I'm recursively calling the same function with the changed roots. Okay, so this is it. Let's check out the test cases once. So the test cases got passed. Let's submit for further evaluation. And the solution got accepted. We performed decent. I think we have performed 20% of the submitted solutions, and majority of the solutions are within the same range. So yeah, thanks, Dan, for watching the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.